to people is lying to yourself. You're hurting yourself.
¿Aló? ¿Qué onda, Frank? ¿Qué onda? No, aquí ocupado, ¿por qué? Sí, me acuerdo. No, sorry, disculpa. Sí, ya sé que te dije, ya quedamos y sé que lo necesitas, pero estoy de veras que bien
You
ocupado.
think everybody is lying to you. You feel bad, anxiety. For that reason, be honest with yourself, and you will be feeling great. Another thing that makes you sick, that makes you doubt, not just from you, but everybody surrounding you. Focusing in problems, lies. I can make you think anything I want.
I can make you think.
I can make you feel
anything I want.
anything.
I can make
Sad,
you feel
mad,
anything.
you name
Sad,
it. Anxious, you love that.
you name it.
Oh, that's tasty.
Anxious, you love that. Oh, that's tasty.
You are mine. I possess you. You cannot control me.
You are mine. I possess you.
Every time
You
something
cannot
happens, I
control
play with your feelings, your thoughts. I keep sending See, overthinking, it makes you go crazy. It makes you get desperate. For things that you only imagining. If you have a little problem, you make it big, just to be overthinking. Hey,
Hey,
your
your
subconscious,
subconscious
you know that
You know
each day
that each
you
day
have 60 to
you have
80,000 thoughts
60 to
per day,
80,000
which that
thoughts
makes you
per day,
confused
which that
Sad.
makes you
or anything that I want.
confused, sad,
Because I can play with your feelings,
that I want.
like I told you before. Any thoughts that comes to you,
Cause I can play
I
with
can
your
crush
feelings, like I told
or I
you
can
before.
pick you up.
Any thoughts that comes to you,
You cannot control me
I can
at all.
crush you, or I can pick you up. You cannot control.
Can't believe this shit. It's just one thing through another. It just looks like a fucking joke. The funny thing is that everything, it feels so familiar. Like I've been through before. It gets frustrating. It gets really, really frustrating. Maybe it's what life wants me to have, bring it to me. I don't know. I have no idea. Is there any way that I can fix this or stop this? Is there really a way? I wish it could be. I wish there could be a really good way to fix everything, every single problem. It's funny how when I get to this point, frustration, madness, desperation, it feels all the same, and at the same time it just makes my stomach hurts and I get migraines. So that's crazy. That's really, really crazy. I don't know if I can take this, handle this, or what.
turning gray. The land is full of scars. I'm gonna find a way. I'm never gonna fall apart. The skies are turning gray. The land is full of scars. I'm gonna find a way. I'm never gonna fall apart. I see a million macho men. They wanna battle for the stars. I don't know where to begin. I see them turn